Today I've got 2 bottles of body wash and 1 bottle of shampoo because we are going to talk about how to use the word smell as an action verb, as a linking verb, and as a noun. So first, as an action verb, to smell means basically to use your nose. So I'm going to smell the shampoo. Right now, I am smelling the shampoo. Past tense, I just smelled the shampoo. Future tense, I'm going to smell the shampoo again. Okay, so to smell something basically means to use your nose. And that's the action verb. We also have the linking verb, smell. A linking verb is basically a verb that we use similarly to verb to be. It's not an action, but it connects the subject to an adjective or something else. Let me give you an example. This shampoo smells nice, or this shampoo smells good. The shampoo doesn't have a nose. The shampoo is not smelling anything, but the linking verb smell is used instead of verb to be. So I could say, this shampoo is good, but that's not clear if the quality of the shampoo is good, if it makes my hair very clean, or what. But when we say the shampoo smells good, we know that, I like it. So that's how we use smell as a linking verb. It smells good, it smells bad, it smells nice, it smells sweet, it smells fruity. We can also use smells like something. So this shampoo smells like almonds. This body wash, let me smell it again. This body wash smells like coffee. This body wash smells like vanilla. So smells, adjective, smells like noun. Then we can also use smell as a noun. So, I really like the smell of this shampoo. Or sorry, this is body wash. I really like the smell of this body wash. I also like the smell of this body wash. So here we're using it as a noun. So yeah, those are 3 ways that you can use the word smell in English. I hope you learned something. Thank you for watching.